This is Abel from Chennai, and we're very glad to be here for the first time in Goa. We are called Beautiful Books, and we have a book fair here which we started today. It goes on till Sunday the 4th, and we are happy to have a lot of Bibles, books, biographies, children's books, and also scripture frames, and so many varieties of books. This is basically for the people of Goa, and it is a prayer that the people of Goa will be blessed with this exhibition. So please do come. Definitely you'll find something that is useful for you or your family. Thank you.
Sir, we can see that there are a lot of Bibles in different languages. Anything on that you want to say?
Yes, yes, there are also Bibles of different languages, books of different languages, and if you have any order, anything in specific you're searching for, probably you can tell us. We'll try to get them for you as well.
There are some other items which are used in the church. All these items
Yes,
are.
even church items like we have communion nectar, then we have communion trees, offering bags, and many things which are useful for the church as well.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.